Hello, how are you guys? I'm gonna show you how I add my skies into a picture. So this is just a picture I took in the beach. So I'm gonna add one of my skies that I have on my website. So let's go and add, for example, something like, let me see. Let's go at this one here. I have this already in my library, but if you don't have your stock in your library, just go File and go Place or Place Link. Any of these can go. You just click and go to the folder and find the element that you want to add. So after you place it in your document, you're going to create a mask with your white brush. You're going to click on the Guardian tool. You're going to make sure you're selecting uh, the transparency here, and then you're gonna start create a line, a straight line from the bottom, from the end to the bottom, like this, and keep going till you see where you're gonna stop adding the sky. This is like a gradually adding the sky, very natural way. And then after you've done that, you just can click in the background mask, and with the brush you just can load opacity here and keep adding the rest of sky where you want it. Okay, so you keep adding. Just make sure you match always your sky with the rest of the elements. Okay, so let's see, you have this pink color here, and you have here the beach. You need to have some kind of reflect of the colors in here, right? So would you just can duplicate and then just can go edit, form, and flip vertical, and you're just gonna flip that over, for example here, and then you're just going to load opacity, change it to soft light, just to give it that tone in the rest of your image. And you can create a mask there. You can click the mask there with a black brush. Just get rid of these areas, in the areas that you don't want to get too much the color. But always try to match the tones of your sky with the tone of your image, so it looks more real. Majority of time when you are working with beaches or something like that, and if you're just gonna add it in a field, is just follow the first step that I told you, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy it, and you have any question, let me know. Thank you.